What is up, Africana fam? It's your girl Young Africana back at it again with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful loose deep wave hair from Wiggins hair. I have in their 34-inch wig, you guys. Their 34-inch loose deep wave frontal wig, and this is a 13x4 frontal wig. And yeah, this hair is extremely long, y'all. Like, I'm short, so it's really long, but nevertheless, this is like perfect for like summertime. You know, we're kind of transitioning. We're already in spring, but we're kind of transitioning. You know, everybody's trying to find, like, you know, some good summer hair. Quick sidebar, if you guys are wondering how I did my makeup, I will have another video up separate from this video of how I did my makeup and how I got this glossy lid. I feel like this is such summertime vibes as well, so I just want to put that in there just so you guys could, you know, stay tuned for the next video to drop. So I will be dropping this glossy lid tutorial sometime this week, probably on Thursdays. So if you guys want to see how you could achieve this look for like vacation or just summertime in general, then keep on watching. But before you go ahead and move on to the next segment of the video, if you have not subscribed to me, I don't know what you're doing. Go ahead and subscribe to me, because look at my edges, y'all. As y'all can see, my edges is laid and slayed. So if you're trying to have your edges laid and slayed, do it for the algorithm and the edges. Go ahead and subscribe to me. Click that bell right next to the subscribe button to get notified when I drop my videos. And comment a purple heart if you're Africana OG, or if you're just feeling this video in general, okay? Actually, no. Africana OGs, go ahead and comment a purple heart, because, you know, I want to make it exclusive for you guys. And if you're feeling this look, go ahead and comment a black heart. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So what's up, you guys? I already got my ball cap already done, and we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace on that bad boy, you guys. I'm using my foundation shade. This is my Lancome Tint-Idol, and it's in the color 555 that I'm using to tint my lace. And I'm tinting the lace not only in the back part of the lace, but also in front of the lace as well too. And now I'm just placing the wig just to get like an idea of what I'm doing. And today I'm going to be doing my lace install a little bit differently. I am going to be cutting the lace because I watched the Arrogant Tay masterclass, and I wanted to try out like his method of doing it, and it came out nice, but I kind of like something to pull on. So yeah, I went ahead and just cleaned my forehead with 91% alcohol, and then used my Erica J Skin Guard. And now I'll be using the Erica J Watermelon Hold Me Down adhesive, and I'll be applying that around the perimeter of my hairline. And I am only using 2 layers, and I'm working on one side, so the middle, and like, you know, whatever side that is. I'm not even going to say the side because I don't want to get that wrong, but I'm going to do the middle and then one side first, and then I'll save the other side last. That's how Arrogant Tay did it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But yeah, you guys, I'm just doing 2 layers of the glue. I'm not trying to have this wig on for too long, so I'm just using my rat tail comb, the metal part of my rat tail comb, just to smooth out the glue. Make sure that it's nice and flat. You want to make sure that there's no bubbles, and also want to make sure that it dries completely before you add your next layer. Now that the second layer is completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply the lace right in front of the glue. Not on it, but right in front of it, just to make sure that, you know, we didn't make any mistakes. And I'd rather just go in detail and add more glue, if anything, than to clean up glue. because that is a no-go, y'all. But I'm just kind of pressing it in with like my hand a little bit just to make sure that it's nice in place. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace on the other side. I left the lace on this side just because I wanted something to pull on. Again, I'm used to having excess lace to pull on, so yeah, you guys, I did that a little bit differently. But now I'm going to go ahead and apply my 2 layers on the next side. And again, wait for it to completely dry before you go ahead and apply your next layer. Alright, now that that side is done, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of pull. And as y'all can see, I'm kind of struggling a little bit, and my nails are not helping either. So thanks, nails. Thanks. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of gently tap it in once I see that it's positioned where I want it to be at, which it is. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and lift up and see if there's any excess lace, just you know that I missed, gluing down. And I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 layers again for those parts that I missed. And we going to sit down there and we going to smudge that, well, not smudge, but you know what I mean, just place that lace in front. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Just place the lace on the glue, y'all. But I'm just, again, just detailing, detail until you have no lace lingering around. You want to make sure that you get all the lace, and if you can't, it's okay. You could definitely just go ahead and cut, but just be careful while you're cutting it. And yeah, just be careful, you guys. Be very careful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that all around my head until everything is nice and laid. Now I did something a little bit different. I didn't cut off the air tabs. I'm cutting off the air tabs after the fact that I placed the lace on the glue, just so I could cut exactly where the lace is at and laying on the glue. And I actually kind of like this method a little bit better, just because I don't have like excess glue just kind of showing and stuff, and I feel like it's just a lot more neater. But yeah, again, detailing. This is very tedious, you guys, super tedious. But now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and start parting out my baby hairs. Today I want to go for more minimal baby hairs, even though they're not really that minimal, but they're not as thick with 3Ks, okay? But yeah, well, 3K sound actually kind of wrong. I might be going front, but that's besides the point. Y'all know what I mean. We're not trying to go for no thick baby hairs today. We're going for very minuscule, minimal type baby hairs. So I'm kind of going thin on the hairline, you guys. And I actually like these baby hairs too. I might be going front. But now I'm using my Carol wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, flatten out that hair, y'all. And I'm just kind of training the baby hairs downwards, so when we are forming our baby hairs, they just flow in the direction that we go into, you know, because the last thing you want is some stubborn baby hairs. So just make sure you get that. And I'm using my hot comb on the highest heat, just because, you know, we're trying to lay these bad boys down, okay? And as you can see, just the hot comb and then the wax stick, it just makes everything look so much neater. But now I'll be going into my Fantasia liquid mousse spritz, and I'll be spraying that all over the hairline just to melt my lace. And like I said, this is my new method, you guys. I love using this. This melts my lace so much better than the Got2b free spray. I promise you, your wig would not move with this spray, y'all. Go ahead and copy some. I feel like, especially if you are black, that you will have this somewhere lingering around in your house, y'all. But again, I'll be using my hot comb, and I sprayed that on the hairline as well too. And I'm spraying that on my hairline and using the hot comb, like I said before. I don't know, I'm repeating it again. And yeah, you guys, I just went ahead and just dried it, and now I'll be using my elastic band, and I'll be leaving it on for like 15 to 20 minutes. And while I'm leaving it on there, I'm gonna go ahead and start, you know, wetting my hair and preparing my hair, just because I'm not trying to have my hair wet by the time I'm done. I want my hair to be dry because this hair is a little bit more on the, I wouldn't say thin side, but like it's a looser curl, and I kind of like big hair, you guys, especially because it's long. I feel like big hair is definitely the wave. So yeah, I'm just using a hot comb, some water, and then also my Nairobi setting lotion to define these curls. I'm not trying to go for like define curls. But now that the 15 minutes is up, as y'all can see, we are looking laid and slayed, okay? Come on, y'all see that? It just looks like scalp. Get in tune, y'all. Get in tune. But now I'll be going into my eyebrow razor, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hairs. And I like to cut the middle section about the shortest, and then the sides a little bit longer. I feel like it just gives a nice aesthetic. And now I'll be using my Nairobi setting lotion. I'm gonna form those baby hairs, y'all. So I like to do 3 baby hairs on the side, you know, a nice, you know, long little baby hair in the middle, and then 3 on the other side. So overall we got 7 baby hairs going on. And I'm just using my baby hair comb just to swoop my baby hairs, and they kind of look like a hot mess right now, but I promise y'all, we got it together, y'all. Just take some patience. Sometimes depending on the hair and the texture, some baby hairs form better than others. This one, I didn't have that much trouble, but then again, I did. It was a little wacky, but we got it together at the end though, y'all. So again, just be gentle, be light-handed. The last thing you want is to start lifting up your lace with the edge of your baby hair comb. That is a no-go, y'all. So just be very gentle. And then the last thing we're doing right now is catching out tendril. And for these baby hairs, I didn't wrap it down with the silk wrap. I just let it dry on its own. And I let that sit for about like 15 to like 20 minutes. It dries pretty fast. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out my baby hairs because, again, y'all know I don't like crunchy baby hairs, y'all. So I'm just using my baby hair comb just to comb out those baby hairs. And then I'm gonna go in with some spritz on the brush part of the baby hair comb, and I'm just gonna kind of swoop my baby hairs just so that's nice and defined. And I go in with my hot comb again just to make sure everything is nice and laid. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not. What are you doing? I appreciate you guys coming to the absolute end of this video. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Good for your edges. Algorithm. Don't forget. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.